morning Dhamma queue, and A, Session, the 10th of July 2025. Good morning to all lay devotees on this 10th day of the month. Today is Asalha Puja Day, another important day for Buddhists, marking the occasion when the Buddha delivered the Dhammacakkappavattana Sutta to the five ascetics, with Venerable Kondanya attaining Sotapanna, making him the first monk in the world. Today, at Wat Pa Buddharam, there will be an ordination of one monk at 1 p.m, followed by candlelight circumambulation, and the monks entering the Upasatha hall to recite the Patimokkha as they do every half month. However, the temple will officially hold the Asalha Puja Day event on Sunday the 13th of July 2025 from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Anyone who is available is welcome to join this merit-making event together. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Now let us proceed to the Q&A. 1, 2. Question. Reverend Sir, I would like to know, is having mindfulness of the body's movements in every posture and during every task continuously, from days to months to years, until the mind becomes clear, bright, and light, considered part of the four foundations of mindfulness? Answer. Having mindfulness of bodily movements during work and in various postures continuously is indeed kayanupassana, satipatthana, within the four foundations of mindfulness. It is the cultivation of mindfulness on the body. When mindfulness is developed continuously over time, it leads to calm concentration, lightness, comfort, and clarity of mind. These are the results of correct mindfulness practice and are genuinely in line with the four foundations of mindfulness. 2. Trieve. Question. Which is better, Aramanupanijjhana or Lakkhhanupanijjhana? Answer. Aramanupanijjhana is the concentration on a single object until the mind becomes unified, a practice that existed before the Buddha's time. It can lead to psychic powers and deep concentration, but does not yet bring wisdom, seeing things as they truly are. Lakkhhanupanijjhana is the contemplation on the true characteristics of nature, seeing the three marks, impermanence, anicca, suffering, dukkha, and non-self, anatta. This practice leads to wisdom and liberation. If asked which is better, Lakkhhanupanijjhana is better because it develops wisdom that leads to liberation from suffering, whereas Aramanupanijjhana is only a high level of concentration that does not directly lead to liberation. 3. Jirg. Question. If a monk commits a serious violation of the monastic code and refuses to disrobe until caught, what effect does this have on Buddhism? Answer. It is somewhat shocking when such incidents occur because it is unexpected that a monk would act in such a way. However, from another perspective, such events help purify Buddhism. Those who cannot uphold the precepts must disrobe. If they refuse to disrobe, the consequences will be even more severe. Once disrobed, whatever they do will be their personal karma. Buddhism will become stronger when those who do not practice properly are removed, leaving only those who truly practice. 4D. Question. When I sit in meditation, I experience severe knee pain. I am elderly and overweight, making sitting on the floor difficult. Can I meditate on a chair? Answer. You may meditate on a chair. It is not necessary to force your body to sit on the floor. If sitting on a chair, sit upright without leaning back, keep your feet flat on the floor, rest your hands on your lap, relax your mind, and maintain mindfulness of the body and the breath as usual. This will allow your meditation practice to continue without unnecessary physical suffering. 5G. Question. If a relative is seriously ill but still alive, can we make merit to help them recover, or can chanting help improve their condition? Answer. Merit cannot be directly transferred to those who are still alive. However, you may chant and extend loving kindness to the karmic creditors of the patient, or chant the 7 factors of enlightenment, Bojjhanga Sutta, for the patient to listen to for comfort. The condition may improve. depending on the patient's merit and mental state. Chanting the Bojjhanga Sutta is a recollection of the Buddha's qualities and brings blessings to both the patient and the family. 16. Question. Reverend Sir, is working in a casino considered sinful? Answer. It is not wrong if you are working honestly and not actively encouraging or promoting gambling. Karma arises from intention. If your intention is solely to earn a living without encouraging others to gamble, it is not a heavy sin. However, if you can find another job unrelated to such unwholesome activities, it would be even better for a peaceful, clean life with more opportunities for Dhamma practice.